Hey you guys, what's up? So I am finally heading to IKEA. So there's a mini secret project that I'm working for, and I'm super excited that IKEA has finally opened here in Mumbai. So let's go!
Hello from VoiceOver Riddhi. So, IKEA had opened in December 2020, and to visit the store, you actually have to register and book your slot due to COVID. The registration started by 10th December, and not more than 4 people were allowed initially. We finally booked our slot for 7th January at 3 pm, and each slot is of 3 hours. अगर आपका shopping in 3 घंटों में हो गया तो you clearly have supernatural powers cause the store is huge, and I mean huge. As soon as you enter the premises, the first thing they ask is your registration QR code. They check if you have any extra members along. They then check your temperature and let you in. As soon as I entered the parking lot, I realized it's pretty big, and they also have parking space for electronic vehicles, which is pretty cool. This huge entrance signage can't be missed right next to the elevator. The entire premises is equipped with signages for better assistance. They even had markings as to where we are supposed to stand and wait for the elevator, as only 4 to 6 people were allowed at a time. This is the entrance to the store. This is how the entrance looks from the inside. Level 1 has a reception area, kids play area, washroom, etc. Moving up to the second floor, we have a display area. Look for such yellow-orange signages as they are actually the offers of the day. The display to the right of the escalator had an entire house plan setup which consisted of a living room, master bedroom, common bedroom, and a kitchen. The kitchen is a modular kitchen, and the entire set was priced at 45 to 60k if I'm not wrong. I don't remember it exactly, I'm sorry. Next to this house plan, we have another living area which has a sofa set, a daybed, cabinets, shelves, and a TV unit. I personally loved this kitchen right from its colors, patterns, and to the utility aspect. The counter's a little small, but I think it would be a great fit for 1 BHK or 2 BHK house plans. This little corner intrigued me the most. Lol. This is where you pick up your trolley for smaller knick-knack products. So IKEA has a level dedicated to display all the products and has cafeteria to the other end on the same level. Right in front of the cafeteria, there's a way to go to the ground level either by elevators or by stairs. Ground level is where you actually pick up products and add it to your cart for checkout. Pro tip: make sure you take photographs of all the products you wish to buy from the display area, as it will be easier for you to find them down. And now, before we explore any further, let's eat. We finally got the chance to explore the setup. This room is by far my favorite based on its theme, right from its wall paint to its furniture. Moving forward, we have the space full of lounge decors. From sofa sets to side tables and these trending poofs. Moving a little ahead, we have shelves, shelf units, racks, and many more. Right in front of it, we have another house on display. Starting from this seating console for your balcony. This grey unit on the left is also one of my favorite. And this dining area is to die for. Adding these storage boxes will definitely amp up your corner. This particular area is dedicated to the center tables, stools, side tables, etc. In the name of Marie Kondo, let's make our lives a little easier by organizing all of our wardrobes and drawers with these organizers. Now, this kitchen is perfect according to its size and utility aspect. These muted colors are trending since 2020 as they are such calming yet modern colors. Another amazing color is this raspberry champagne color for your interior walls. This walk-in closet is every man's dream. Moving ahead, we have wardrobe units in every shape and size. Another essential are these loop hangers for your belt or scarves. You can place orders for such furnitures and customization right then and there as IKEA designers are ready to help on the same flow. IKEA's operating team also sits at the back of this corner. Mirror, mirror on the wall, which ones to choose from these all? These mirrors come in various shapes and sizes, and it's pretty damn confusing as to which one to pick. Moving on, this footage is from the self-pickup area on the ground floor. I personally love these golden rags. I couldn't vlog down there much because I was in a hurry, so there's that. But while walking towards the checkout area, we have this yet another huge as self-serve area. यहाँ से आप अपने selected furniture consoles को अपने कार्ट में ऐड कर सकते हैं और directly checkout कर सकते हैं. It's funny to see sofa sets and other heavy furnitures hanging in the mid-air this way. For checkout, you have the conventional desk, but you also have self-assessed checkout where you have to scan the barcode present on each product and pay via card. I cannot reveal what all I bought just yet as I am still working on the secret project. It's coming soon but no promises yet, so stay tuned for that. And once again, I hope you liked my first ever vlog because like an idiot I forgot to shoot the outro for this vlog. But nonetheless, if you did like this video, please like, comment and share this video with all of your friends and families, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you super soon. Bye.